Hello, I am here inside of Animal Company and ready to make my first video just playing the game and having fun. So yeah, let's go see what we're gonna do. Alright, let's get a gun and see if we can get a kill streak of 10. Yeah, I told you that, you heard that right. Today, we are gonna get a kill streak of 10. Going into a public server, getting a kill streak of 10 somehow.
Your rocket launcher.
I know that.
King Crab, let's fight to the death.
Why you wanna fight me so much? Raccoon boy, if you meet me.
Alright, I need to get a different code because this code is way too laggy. I need to get an actual code that's good.
Yo, activate it, bro. Activate it.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yo, activate it, bro. Activate it.
Thanks.
Alright. Find anybody. Hey! 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 You want a duel? You want a duel?
No.
Midget spinner.
Who wants to go?
Jesus.
Fidget spinner.
Doing.
Gooning spinner.
Really?
Yeah, I actually kind of like the duel on the update. I started crying.
Bro,
I like it.
open it.
Alright. I really just cut my leg. That's something that you did not need to.
Yo,
Damn it! There we go. First one dead. First one dead. First one dead. First one dead.
I'm range. You're getting dogs.
What happened?
You're getting dogs.
I do.
Not me. Mine's not.
Crap. Excuse me. Okay, we got a kill streak probably of 2, I think.
Who wants to defeat two words? Who wants to defeat two words?
Me.
Word.
I'm learning.
Who wants to defeat two words?
Yeah, me.
Go with me.
Just go out.
No, who wants to go with me?
Alright.
Yo, what's up?
Shadow boss, and then ogre boss, and then mob boss.
Here, come here. Buddy. Go.
No, I will not go here.
Go to foot. To smile.
Oh my god!
For afterwards, you're getting doggy.
Just saying that.
Damn it. Okay, let's go.
Thank you,
There you go.
Thank you for killing me, bro. I need to be killed. Thank you, bro.
Hey, we're behind you.
Alright. Put it in here. Put it in here. Put it in here.
No.
Okay, we got a kill streak of 4 now.
I'm back.
Put it in here.
Dude,
No, you suck at aiming. Damn it. I need to eat some food.
Guys, I have an infinite revolver. You wanna see? I have an infinite revolver. You wanna see?
Yeah,
You see?
sure.
Empty your backpack. Empty your backpack.
Why? What is this?
You have auto reload revolver.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy! Buddy! Buddy, behind you. Behind
What? I got a
you.
question.
5 minutes. Yeah. I'm trying to get a kill streak of 10.
Can you give
That's
me
my
one?
challenge.
Can you give me one of those
Tele grenades?
those trench like
Why don't you come out of safe zone? Why don't you come out of safe zone?
Yeah, you're buying ammo, putting it in your bag.
I'm not mining right now.
Can you give me the remote
Next
control?
objective. Go mining. I need to do something.
Can you give me?
I have a good reason.
Can you give me remote control?
Yeah. It's
Go
not
in
infinite,
here.
but
Alright.
I will give it to you.
I need. Alright. So.
Addy,
Go get our killing machine. So we just need to get like about 4 research points, which I can go claim right now. So
Bombo.
I just need to go
put your thing in here. Put your thing in.
get this,
Put it in here.
this.
I'm going
Yo,
to
who's
surprise
red watcher?
this.
I'm going to surprise you.
Wait. Give me it.
I'm going to
And
surprise
then
you.
No.
get
Hey, you guys.
Okay, listen.
Everybody, pass this. Pass this. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. You press
who's this? I like it. Animal Company. One of my favorite games on play. Peaceful, funny, whatever you want it to be. Make it. Alright, we get 4 points from that. We'll get OP auto reload. I forgot that it even exists. And that is going to be a crucial part of killing 10 people in a row. I have 4 already. We have 4. I'm counting other people that I killed before. So, spice. Well, less spice. Because I'm not recording for that.
does anyone want me to do Squid Games? 8 no.
Bro, I just heard someone say, does anyone want to be in a Squid Game? Damn.
Red watch.
I guess they're bored. Really, is that bored, though?
What's it? Yo.
I need to claim my research points. And we are up to 2. So yeah, we can get 1 more. And now I can get 5. Yep. We just have enough. Wait. Oh, wait. I have enough to get 6 research points.
Oh God, where am I?
6 research points. Because I was at like 230 company coins. So technically, thinking I will have it get the limit. Cause if I just did 20, then maybe, I don't know, maybe, I'm still trying. I'm gonna calculate it. So, yeah, we have 5 reason points. You're ready? Get fast movement, really fast movement.
I have a cool weapon.
Alright.
The teleport dagger and the dome cap.
It's over here, yeah. Headshot damage to heads. Where is it?
Yeah, I'm a woman now.
Wait, where even is it? Check where it even is. Alright.
Oh yeah,
Well, I want to do it like that.
once you leave,
Alright.
it will still came here.
Headshot damage. Can we get the hot headshot damage? Boom. Yeah, there. So that means this revolver can hold 8 bullets instead of 6 if you get both those. Alright. Alright, wait, let's see what's up here. I think it should. No, it's over. Yeah, it's over here.
I report your
Right over here.
grandfather, grandmother.
Extra revolver ammo.
Grandmother, grandfather.
And there we go. We died. Alright, let's just get it normally.
Everyone, join the code MOM2. Join the code MOM2 for mom. Join the code boss. Join the code boss. Join the code MOM2 for mom boss. Join the code MOM2 for mom boss.
You guys, I know you guys want that kind of content right now. I'm just trying my best,
The
right?
code's mom boss. No, MOM2. The code's mom. If y'all wanna.
And I'm dead.
Going one. Go. What's the code? MOM2. The code's MOM2. We're doing mom boss. The code's MOM2.
13 minutes of recording. You guys are probably
Where's the code?
like, why are you? I can't do anything about. Like I can do like at 20 minutes. Boom, stop. I have to stop. Well, let's just. Yeah, you guys see something. What I see is your headset battery is low. Please go plug it in if you want. All right, let's get my little thing here. All right. So guys, this is the end. Let's go to the mirror.
Well, Jonah.
Is the wrong game?
I got fun.
I do. Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright guys, this is the end. Hope you all enjoyed me just playing Animal Company and having fun like I usually do. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace out. Rayman loves you.